You can now use Claude Code completely for free with some of the best and fastest AI models available. Now, most other methods either show you how to run these models locally, which means they can take minutes to give you a response, or they point you to free APIs that are so overloaded that end up being just as slow. But recently, I found a new method where once it's up and running, it gives you responses in seconds instead of minutes. And in this video, I will show you exactly how you can set it up even if you're a complete beginner, and how you can use it to build multi-page websites and full-stack applications completely for free. So close all of your other tabs and let's dive right into it. Now, the first thing that you have to do is to install Claude Code in your machine. And you can do that by going over to claude.com/download and downloading the desktop app, or you can even do it by going over to the Claude Code docs using the terminal commands and installing it in your terminal. Now, this is the method that I prefer, and since I'm on Mac, I will come over here and copy the command for Mac OS, but if you're in Windows, you need to copy this command underneath. And then you simply need to open up a terminal. It can either be inside an IDE or even natively in your PC. I personally prefer to use an IDE. And then you simply need to paste in the command and click on enter. And what this is going to do is install Claude Code in your machine as it just did. And now to open up Claude Code, you simply have to type Claude, click on enter, and this is going to spin up an instance of Claude Code for you. But as you can see, we're currently using Opus 5 from our Claude Code subscription, which is a thing that we need to change since we want to be able to use it completely for free. Now, to do this, we will use a very interesting setup, which is by signing up to another coding agent that is called OpenCode, because that AI agent offers us a lot of powerful free models. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take these free models that OpenCode is offering and we're going to connect them to Claude Code, which will then mean that we will be able to use Claude Code completely for free and also use models that give us actually fast responses, and we don't have to wait multiple minutes like other methods that are shown here on YouTube. But now you might say, well, Damian, why are you saying that these models are actually going to be fast? And that is because the models that we're going to use are not going to be running locally in our machine, and instead they're going to be running over in the cloud, which means that we will not be constrained by the power of our machine. Plus, since OpenCode offers free and also paid plans, they are able to make their money from the paid plans that they offer, and to attract new users to the platform, they are offering powerful models completely for free. And since they have the money to invest in their compute, the servers don't get overloaded where multiple users are on them, which then means that we don't get delayed responses from the models that we're using. So how we're going to set this up is we will simply create an OpenCode account, then we will create our OpenCode API key, and then instead of connecting this API key to OpenCode, we will actually connect it to Claude Code so we can use the free models that OpenCode is offering from within Claude Code. So to do this, we need to go over to opencode.ai, which I will also leave a link for in the description below, and then we simply need to come over here and copy this command. Then we need to come back over to our IDE and open up a brand new terminal, where then we simply need to paste this command and click on enter. And what this is going to do is install OpenCode in our machine, which as you can see just finished doing. So now to open up OpenCode, we simply need to type in the word OpenCode and click on enter, and this is going to spin up an OpenCode instance in our machine. Now to access the provider that gives us these powerful free models, we need to simply type in /models, which is going to open up the model picker, and then we need to press Ctrl+A to open up the provider picker, since the provider with these free models that also give us very fast responses is this one over here at the top that is called OpenCode Zen. So what you need to do is to simply select that one, and then this is asking us for our OpenCode Zen API key, which to get, we need to come back over to the OpenCode website and navigate over in the Zen tab, and then we simply need to come over here and click on the login button and create an account. Now once you create an account, you will be brought over in this interface over here, where as you can see, we have our OpenCode Zen API key. So now all we have to do is to simply copy it And then we need to come back over to OpenCode, paste it in over here, and click on enter. And what this is going to do is to connect to OpenCode Zen, where then we will be able to access all of these different models. But as you can see, next to some of these models, there exists the text free, which means that we can use the specific model completely for free. Now this has some very good free models like DeepSeek V4 Flash, Nemotron 3 Ultra, and Mimo V2.5, but just so you guys know, these models constantly keep updating, since what OpenCode does is when a brand new model gets released, then they tend to put it in the free tier so people can try it out, which is very good for us since it means that we will basically have access to some of the latest models completely for free. Now let me select one of them, let's say DeepSeek V4 Flash for example, and if I come over here and say hello, then you will see that I'm able to use it and I get a response in literally 6 seconds. And if I ask it what model am I currently using, and I send this over, then I'm going to get a response that says I'm using DeepSeek V4 in just 5 seconds. So as you can see, these responses are pretty fast and they don't have the usual delay that free APIs offer. But we're obviously not done yet, because we currently are able to use this model inside OpenCode, but what we need to do is to actually take this model and use it in Claude Code. So to make this happen, what you need to do is to click on the top link in my description, where I will have this Google Doc over here that includes a long prompt that basically tells OpenCode how to go and make this configuration. So what I want you to do is to simply copy all of this long prompt, exactly as I'm doing right now, then simply come over here, paste it in, and then say something like, this is my API key, come back over to the OpenCode Zen platform and copy your API key, then simply paste it in over here, and then you simply need to say what model you want to use. So since I want to use DeepSeek V4 Flash, I will say I want to use DeepSeek V4 Flash inside Claude Code, and then simply send over this prompt so OpenCode can go and make the setup for you. And if you're wondering why we need such a long prompt, that is because OpenCode and Anthropic actually use different proxies. Since OpenCode is using an OpenAI proxy, while Anthropic can receive only signals from Anthropic. So what this prompt basically does is it tells OpenCode to create an in-between proxy where the signal from the API key will be transferred from OpenAI to Anthropic, thus making it compatible with Claude Code. Now to use this, you don't actually need to understand how this works, I just wanted to explain for the more technical people that are watching this video. Again, the link to the prompt will be in the description below. And boom, as you can see, OpenCode just finished running, and it is telling us that it went over and set this up successfully for us. Now if you want, you can also give this prompt to Claude Code, and also it can make the setup for you. I just wanted to do it with OpenCode since it would be free to do so. And now over here we have a section that tells us how to use it, which is to simply open it up by using this command, which is claude-zen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this command, I'm going to open up a brand new terminal, and I'm going to paste in the command and click on enter. And what this is going to do is spin up Claude Code, but this time, as you can see, it is using DeepSeek V4 Flash free from our OpenCode Zen account. And if I actually come over here and say hello, what model are you currently using? And I send over this prompt, this is going to give me this response that tells me that it's running the free DeepSeek V4 Flash model from OpenZen. And just to verify this, if I come over here and type in /status, I will be able to see the exact model that I'm using, which is DeepSeek V4 Flash free. And that means that we successfully managed to use one of the free models that OpenCode is using inside Claude Code. And just to actually show you that this can perform a real world task and it is actually fast, let me come over here and tell it that I want to build a multi-page website for a dental clinic, which will have multiple pages that a normal website like this would have, and a pretty nice and modern looking design. So what I want you to do is to go over and build out this website for me. And I will simply send over this prompt so DeepSeek V4 can start working inside Claude Code and build this website for us. And as you can see, it has already started doing that, and it is asking us what tech stack we want to use. I will select the first one, and now it will go and build out this website for us. But while it is doing that, I want to talk about the sponsor of today's video, which is me and my AI file organization app that is called FileEct, which can automatically organize all the files and folders on your computer for you, and it does that using AI. So if you would be interested to see how it works, then make sure you click the second link in my description and you come and check it out. And if you use that link, you will also get a 10-day free trial so you can try it out completely for free. And boom, Claude Code just finished running and it fully finished building out our multi-page website for us, which we can now come over here and take a look at our local host. And as you can see, this is the website. Here we can see the hero section, which does look very clean. Then we have another section that talks about the services that dental clinic is offering. Then we have an about us section, then some information about them with some very nice animations, then a review section, an FAQ, and at the bottom a header. Obviously this section is cut off, which we can very easily fix by simply prompting Claude Code to go over and fix that for us. But if I navigate over to the other pages, we can see that they are completely unique pages, exactly as we wanted. And here we can see some information about them. Then we also have a services page where we can see the services of that company along with some reviews. Then an our team section where we're able to see the team members of that dental clinic, and then a contact us section where we can fill in information and the dental clinic is going to contact us. So that is how you can use Claude Code completely for free by using the free models that OpenCode gives you access to. Now if you want more help with setting this up, make sure you click the top link in my description and you come and check out my school community, where I help people just like you build and grow their own AI business. And I do that through all the content that I have inside my community and through the dedicated one-to-one access to me that every community member gets immediately when they join. So make sure you click the top link in my description and you come and check out my school community. And also don't forget to check out Filelect, which is my AI file organization app. But also YouTube thinks that you're going to enjoy this video, in which I show you another way with which you can use Opus 5 completely for free inside Claude Code. So make sure you go and watch that next, and I will see you over there.